Theorem of Pythagoras. Pythagoras' theorem is a rule that applies only to right-angled triangles. The theorem is named after the Greek mathematician Pythagoras. When a triangle has a right angle, that is an angle equal to 90 degrees, and squares are drawn on each of the three sides, then the biggest square has the exact same area as the sum of the other two squares. We are going to demonstrate this by looking at an animation of this theorem. The theorem says that the sum of two smaller squares, a squared and b squared, is equal to c squared, which is the largest square made on both sides of triangle ABC. So let's have a look at that again. You will see that the area demonstrated by the liquid falling from the square C into squares A and B, the two smaller squares, is exactly the same. Stating this formally, we have the square of the hypotenuse, which is the side opposite the 90 degrees, is equal to the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides in a right-angled triangle. So remember what the theorem of Pythagoras states is that if we have a right-angled triangle, then we know what the square of the hypotenuse, which is the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. And as you saw in that demonstration, we rotated the squares. Whatever space the liquid occupied in the biggest square filled up the area of the other two smaller squares. We need to practice and put this knowledge into effect by looking at questions on Pythagoras' theorem.